Buffalo wings, the ultimate spicy treat that brings people together. Whether you're watching the big game or just hanging out with friends, buffalo wings are always a crowd pleaser, but what makes them so beloved? Is it the crispy skin, the tangy sauce, or the rush of adrenaline that comes with eating something that's just a little too hot? Whatever the reason, buffalo wings are a staple in many cuisines around the world. And today, I'm going to show you how to take them to the next level. Creating the perfect buffalo wing is no easy feat. It's not just about throwing some hot sauce on a piece of chicken and calling it a day. There's an art to it, a delicate balance of heat and flavor that's hard to master. And let's be real, we've all been there, we've all made the mistake of adding too much hot sauce, only to be left with a plate of inedible, tongue-scorching chicken. Or maybe we've added too little, and we're left with something that's just, well, boring. So what's the secret to making buffalo wings that are not only hot but also delicious? One of the biggest mistakes people make when making buffalo wings is using low-quality hot sauce. I mean, let's face it, there are some hot sauces out there that are just not worth your time. They're either too thin, too vinegary, or just plain unbalanced. And then there's the issue of not cooking the chicken properly. You can't just toss some wings in the oven and expect them to come out crispy and cooked to perfection. It takes time, patience, and a little bit of know-how.